today we're going to look at a common problem I see in a lot of these homes, and that's discoloration underneath the sink, which is usually caused by some sort of a water leak or something. So what we're going to do is apply a piece of vinyl here, put it down so that if we do have a future leak, it doesn't create damage to the wood here. So what we're going to do is start off by taking our initial measurements, and then we're going to cut out our material and install it. So the depth we have here is 23 inches by 34 and a half. So let's take a look at our piece of linoleum, cut it out, and then install it. Alright guys, so we just cut out our piece of linoleum. We took our initial measurements, transferred it onto this, took a straight edge and a chalk knife and cut these edges real nice. Now we're going to fit it in. Looks pretty good. Now we're going to use some adhesive, lay this down. Okay, one thing I wanted to mention is the type of material we're using. This type of material is very thick linoleum, and it's very rubbery. And they actually say that this thing is pretty waterproof resistant. So any type of water that falls on this isn't going to soak through and damage the wood underneath the cabinet, in the cabinet. So this is the type of material I like to use. You have several different options of how you can actually go ahead and secure it. You can use linoleum adhesive, or you can use staples, whatever works. This isn't going to be anything that's going to, need to be secured down, or a lot of traffic. There's going to be little to no traffic underneath that sink. So staples will work just fine, nails will work just fine, or adhesive. All right, guys, there you have it. So we laid down our adhesive on that wood, and then laid down our linoleum. These are the results. Looks much better. Alright guys, the bathroom has the same type of issue. We've got some staining developing here because of water. I'm going to show you guys the staple method. This is going to go a lot quicker than the adhesive. What we're going to do is fit this in the way we want it. Alright guys, there you have it. 1, 2, 3 done. That looks a whole lot better.